Picture the Monopoly man. Top hat, mustache, and a monocle, right? Wrong. He has never worn one, not in any version ever. And here is the creepy part. Millions of people remember that monocle in exactly the same way you just did. One person misremembering is boring. But when millions of strangers share the exact same false memory down to the smallest detail, something strange is going on. It is like a typo showing up in everyone's brain at once. This is called the Mandela Effect, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly why it happens, why we all make the same mistakes, and why some people are convinced it proves parallel universes. Spoiler, the real answer is weirder. Chapter 1. The name comes from Nelson Mandela. In 2009, a researcher discovered that thousands of people vividly remembered him dying in prison in the 1980s, complete with news clips and a funeral. He was alive. He went on to become president. The examples pile up fast. The children's books about the Bear family? Most people swear it was spelled Berenstain, E-I-N. Look at any cover. It has always been Berenstain, A-I-N. People have dug out their old books just to check and lost their minds. Pikachu fans remember a black tip on his lightning bolt tail. There has never been one. The tail is solid yellow, and it always was. Fans who have drawn him for years get this wrong. And the most famous movie line in history? Darth Vader never says, "Luke, I am your father." The real line is, "No, I am your father." Even the actors misquote it. The version in your head is from a movie that does not exist. Underwear brand Fruit of the Loom? Millions remember a big brown horn of plenty behind the fruit. The logo has never had one. People remember the texture, the color, the curve of a thing that was never printed on anything. Notice the pattern. It is not that people forget. It is that huge crowds remember the same wrong detail, vividly, confidently in matching versions. To explain that, we have to open up how memory actually works. Brace yourself. And this is the fun part. People refuse to believe it. They climbed into attics, dug out their actual childhood books and tapes, held the proof in their hands, and the proof sided against their own memory every single time. Chapter 2. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Your memory is not a video recorder. Nothing in your head plays back the past. There is no tape, no file, no saved copy sitting safely in a drawer. Every time you remember something, your brain rebuilds the scene from scratch out of scattered pieces. A bit of image here, a feeling there, a fact from somewhere else. Remembering is not playback. It is reconstruction, live every single time. So your memory is less like a security camera and more like a courtroom sketch artist. Fast, confident, pretty good at faces, and absolutely willing to improvise the details it did not catch. And here is the twist that explains everything. Each time you rebuild a memory, it becomes editable. Whatever you imagine, hear, or assume in that moment can get saved back into the memory itself. Your past is a wiki page, and every recall is an edit. Now stretch that over years. Retell a story 20 times, and you are no longer remembering the event. You are remembering your last retelling. Tiny edits stack up like a game of telephone you play against yourself. Worse, pieces from different days sneak into the same memory. The beach from one summer, the dog from another, a joke someone told you later. Your brain glues them into one scene, and the seams are invisible. Chapter 3. Okay, memories drift, but why would millions of brains drift to the same wrong answer? Because all our brains fill the gaps using the same tool, templates of how the world usually looks. Scientists call them schemas. Your brain stores the gist, rich old-timey guy with a top hat, and autofills the rest from the template. And what does the template of a cartoon millionaire include? A monocle. Your brain adds it like an overconfident autocomplete. Same with the bears. You have met Einsteins and Steins all your life. The ending EIN is simply more familiar, so every brain quietly corrects the weird AIN to the version that feels right. Millions of people, one identical autocorrect. And a pile of fruit in old-fashioned art? For centuries, fruit came with a cornucopia. The association is so strong that your brain paints the horn in. Everyone's brain owns the same art history, so everyone paints the same horn. This is not a bug, by the way. Storing the gist instead of every pixel is why your head is not full. The system trades detail for meaning, and 99% of the time, that trade works perfectly. And why do millions match? Because we all run the same templates, same cartoons, same logos, same school posters, same jokes. Feed identical templates, identical gaps, and you get identical mistakes at planetary scale. Chapter 4. It gets darker. Memories cannot just drift. They can be planted from outside. In a famous experiment, scientists told adults a made-up story about being lost in a mall as a child. About a quarter of them did not just believe it. They remembered it. They added details no one gave them. The balloon, the old man who helped, the panic. A complete childhood memory built from a single suggestion, indistinguishable from a real one. Now you can see where the Vader line came from. Parodies, cartoons, and friends quoting the movie all said, "Luke, I am your father," because it is clearer out of context. You heard the wrong version 50 times for every one time you watched the film. The edits won. Your brain is great at keeping facts and terrible at keeping receipts. It remembers that something is true, but forgets where it learned it. So a line from a parody gets filed as a line from the movie. Scientists call it source amnesia. And remember, every recall saves the edit back over the original. It is like opening a photo, letting Photoshop guess a few pixels, and hitting save every time for years. There is no undo history. The wrong version quietly becomes the only version. Chapter 5. Then the internet arrived and poured gasoline on all of it. Before, your false memory lived quietly in your own head. Now you can post it and instantly find 10,000 people who remember it exactly the same way. And that feels amazing. See, I am not crazy. They remember the monocle too. Every agreeing comment makes the memory stronger and more detailed. The crowd is not checking the fact. The crowd is rehearsing the error together in public. Here is the lesson science keeps hammering. How confident a memory feels tells you almost nothing about whether it is true. Planted memories feel exactly as vivid as real ones. The gauge in your head measures feeling, not accuracy. This is not trivia. Confident eyewitnesses have sent innocent people to prison, absolutely certain of faces they never actually saw. Hundreds of convictions have been overturned by DNA evidence after a sincere, vivid, wrong memory testified under oath. Even so-called flashbulb memories, where were you when the big news broke, drift like everything else. Studies tracked people's stories of major events. Within a year, the details changed, but their confidence stayed pinned at 100%. Chapter 6. Of course, the internet has a flashier theory. What if nothing is misremembered? What if we all slid over from a parallel universe, one where the bears really were Berenstain and Vader really said Luke? The glitches would be seams between worlds. It is a fantastic story, and honestly, more fun than autocomplete errors. But notice what it requires. Entire universes rearranged just to explain a spelling, and it conveniently explains everything while predicting nothing. Science has a rule for moments like this, called Occam's razor. When two explanations fit, bet on the simpler one. On one side, infinite alternate realities. On the other, a memory system we have watched make these exact mistakes in the lab, on demand. So the Mandela Effect is not proof of other worlds. It is proof of something more useful, that certainty is a feeling, not a fact, and that even your most treasured memories are drafts, not documents. Best of all, the boring theory makes a prediction. Wherever a detail clashes with the template, new Mandela effects should keep being born. And they do constantly, right on schedule. No extra universes required. Want to feel it yourself? Tonight, pull up something you are 100% sure about. A logo, a movie line, a lyric. Actually, look it up. There is a decent chance your own private Mandela effect is waiting for you. And when you find it, do not panic. Nothing is broken and no universe swallowed you. You just caught your sketch artist improvising, your autocomplete finishing the wrong word, your wiki page mid-edit. That is not a glitch in reality. That is just being human. So, which of these hit you the hardest? Drop your weirdest shared memory in the comments because someone will remember it exactly the same way. Subscribe and like, and we will keep turning the world into doodles, one question at a time.